Question mark. What do you think bolognese is? Absolute fucktard. Huh? Imagine being that guy. I cannot imagine.
Grandpa, we're hungry. Well, my show comes on in 20 minutes. I guess we can go to Wendy's. Wendy's?
Again? Why don't you think outside the bun for once in your pathetic little life? I'm gonna go to T-Bell. Get me some fourth meal.
Crunch you later. Oh, don't tell me you're gonna get all shy and weird now. You don't have my permission slip to get all shy and insecure now. My show comes on in 18 minutes. I want to watch my show.
Okay. Thanks for making such a great animation. Long have I waited for such perfection.